How to log into Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into Netflix, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application here. And once you launch the Netflix app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to go ahead and then enter your login details. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap the login option from the top right. Now, after you enter your login details, if your account is working just fine, you can see in my case, my account is working just fine. If you're not logged in, you have to just go ahead and sign it out first, and then you'll be able to find the option to enter your email and phone number as well as your password. Tap the sign in option and you'll be successfully signed in to Netflix. This way you'll be able to log into Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.